So, and this might not be even looking interesting for us, but it's now used as a game board. And let me start this game here, which is called Paparazzi. And as soon as I point my mobile phone on this game board, even a 3D content can appear. But it could be a 2D content too. So you might want to overlay a video on this flat surface. And this is how I made this example in my presentation. The girl was the front side of the girl was real in the magazine, but after you point your mobile phone on it, you can have a virtual layer on top of it that shows the girl from the back side.
I understand that, but you must tag something to the image for it to do that, must you not?
Yeah,
you must have another. You have another image.
There's the image that is original on the paper, and there is this 3D content, which might be also an image which is aligned to the graphics. This is the content.
It's just aligning content.
It's aligning content, and in this case it was a little bit of a trick, if you want to, because I made a similar content as it was on the page. The only change was the girl from the backside. The rest stayed the same. So this is the nice thing. For example, you could have a magazine with a static picture showing some events. As soon as you point your mobile phone on it, you might have the movie also on your website. You might want exactly on that place where the static picture is, start the movie playing. And you might even choose the movie so that it starts with the same picture with the same frame, so people look at it and it's getting to life. For them, it's getting to life. And the same thing was with the girl.
If you had a fashion page, something that I'm not sure, and you had maybe 4 images, can you separate and tag each image?
Yeah.
As you did?
Yeah. So there's, we can. Actually, technically you might want to use the whole page as one image, but you can also track these separately and move them apart. But in your case, if they are static, related to each other, I wouldn't do that. I would just take the whole page. But what you could do is activating the individuals independently.
Does that require a scan? How do you pick the points on the image? Do you grab a scan?
Actually, we've done already something with magazines. What they are doing is they are providing the PDF of the magazine, and we're producing out our target. We call it target. This is the data set that takes out the features out of the PDF. So
do you use source from zero?
Right.
Pick that out.
Right.
Okay. And if you had thousands of pages to do that with, would that be a very, very big process?
This is thousands of pages. This is still a mobile phone with a limited memory, so you will not be able to store the thousands of pages here. So if you want to have a series of magazines with, let's say, 50 pages in it, then you might want to have a kind of a deployment strategy that says, I will have one data set that has the front cover of all my magazines already on the mobile phone. As soon as the user points to the front cover, I say, hey, he's looking at that magazine. I'm downloading from the web all the rest of the pages that are in this magazine. Give it to the application, and as soon as it's there, he can flip through the magazine and have the content there. And as soon as he looks at another magazine front page, you download another content. Because this is still a restricted memory thing. You cannot have all your content that you have somewhere on a big server suddenly on a mobile phone. This does not work.
The way I was thinking when I was watching this morning was we're involved in producing lots of big catalogues, which are then converted into PDF catalogues, online PDF iPad catalogs was if you could make those interactive on an iPad in a similar way, so you could actually use and buy off the iPad.
Yeah.
That was where my mind was going when I was watching.
I would say technically it's possible. Maybe sometimes you might need you might have some delay because you need to kind of download some more content that is now relevant, and there might be strategies for this catalog.
Yeah.
Let's say we download the first 50 pages.
Yeah, or the intro to the sections.
Yeah.
And a video, maybe.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. And then the rest comes. So
Yeah.
there might be something saying, hey, please wait a little bit, I'm downloading, and then the experience can continue. Something like that might be in your application afterwards.
Has it been very expensive to develop these applications?
I don't think so. I think with the expensive part, we've taken away from them because this is our SDK. This is the hard part is the vision thing. Now they have this is like a mouse input if you want. It tells them where's the mobile phone relative to the content, and the rest is a normal multimedia application that they are.
So it's a template driven.
Yeah. If you want, so for a catalog, it should be one application that should work with many. If you make it smart, it should work with any.
Thank you, Mike. It's been really good.
Really helpful. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
It's been great.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have you got a card?
Yeah. Sorry.
You might want to check. You might want to point your technical people to this side.